Hey guys, I want to go over Dogecoin today, but I want to give us a little bit of a different approach to this. Dogecoin is one of those coins, guys, that Elon Musk, I think, said it the best. The irony of Dogecoin like exploding would just be hilarious. I, I I'll show you guys from a technical perspective, from a psychology of a market flow perspective, how we could be heading up to about 250%, 210%. Actually, 250 is not actually unreasonable, but 210% profit here, which would, I think, by half of this year, so I would say by May of this year, to be up, seeing prices up about 210%. I want to show that to you guys. Let's just dive into that. I was going to go over the indicators. I'll show you guys the indicators here in a second, but I want to dive into this really fast. Guys, real quick, on this channel, we are 102 for 102 wins. We have the highest win rate on all of YouTube for trading crypto, and we're doing really well. I traded with $150,000 of my own money. Obviously, we're in a bear market, but we're hardly down anything. It's the risk management that we use is really, really good. I'll show you guys how to get into there in the second half of the video, how to get dialed into all that. I want to show you guys this. I want to get you excited, but I don't want to do it without showing you proof of how this happened in the past. So I'm not just going to come out here and throw a thumbnail out that makes you click on it. Let me show you proof of the psychology of a market cycle, why I think it's possible for Dogecoin to move up here. So here is what's called the psychology of a market cycle for Bitcoin. Okay, this is for Bitcoin. This is the Wall Street one we all see. It pumps up, we go into euphoria, complacency, we see capitulation, anger, and then we have a sucker's rally over here called disbelief. Okay, it's basically this peak and this oscillation back and forth. I like looking at Bitcoin because this is what's, everyone knows Bitcoin. We've seen the pattern happen on Bitcoin, and this pattern happens a lot. Taking Dogecoin into consideration here, I want to pull us out to the daily time frame here. So let's go to the 1 day, and I want to show this something to you guys. If you guys can, some of you guys are already seeing this, but let me just pull this up like this. Okay, here's what I'm seeing. Look at this formation. We came from nothing, obviously, and then we pumped up here, and then we're starting to move all the way back here where we're getting this just like this flat bottom here. We have, supports, okay? Look at this overall trend here. Now come over here and look at what happened to Bitcoin. We had, the flat phase, we had the pump, and then we started creating this support level, and we shelved off here, and then we started to move down. I believe this phase right here, if you guys look at this is where we're at for Dogecoin. I believe that's where we're at. We've already created the strong supports, which you guys can see over here on Dogecoin. The strong support has been held right here. And then we started to move off below that, and now we're starting to see this level off here. Could we head down further? Yes. Obviously, we could head down further, and we have 2 more buy limits, so we're not worried at all about this trade. We'll win this trade. Like, it's either Dogecoin goes away or we win the trade. But here's what I want to show you guys. What happened with Bitcoin was very interesting. We saw a 50% retracement, actually above a 50% retracement, but about a 50% retracement here in Bitcoin. Now, some of you guys are like, no, there's no way that's going to happen. Well, hold on. There's more. There's more here. Take a Fibonacci retracement from where we're currently sitting and take it to the high up here. Okay? That puts us right around this level, about 45 cents to, maybe a maximum up here, about 52 cents within the golden Fibonacci 50% retracement zone. All right, let's take a percentage range out here and let's look at the current price to this area up here. It's sitting right around 220. I mean, you could arguably say I said 250, about 270. So I would say I was pulling 210 earlier. It's very close to 210, 220. Let's just call us for sake on here. We'll call it right at 50. So we're not going to be too aggressive. 220%. Okay. 210 to 220% is what we could be seeing in the market here for a move back up. Now, how fast can this happen? If we look over here, we can see this happen. Let's just say we're right here. March, April, May, June, July. That's 4 months. You guys can see that, right? So here's 2019, and then we have, excuse me, guys, January. I'm trying to get over a cold here. I'm like trying to hold coughs back. So January, February, March. We have March here. March, April, May, June, July. 4 months. Okay, 4 months from now. February, March, April, May, June. Okay, so around the June, I think we could actually hit it sooner, possibly May. But May, June is where we could be seeing a possible increase here of about 220%. Now, here's more info for you guys. I was watching this article the other day saying, obviously, Elon Musk has said that you can now buy Dogecoin can be purchased for Tesla merchandise. Let me get a drink here real quick. But on top of that, there are rumors out there that Mr. Beast may start accepting, if you guys know Mr. Beast is, he's probably he may be the biggest YouTuber right now out there, accepting Dogecoin for his burger shack that he came out, Beast Burger. That could be huge. There is also some possible rumors out there that even Elon Musk has joked about that McDonald's may start looking to accept Dogecoin for their payments. all around the world, guys, there's some articles I'll try to pop up on the next the video I do for Dogecoin of people accepting Dogecoin. Like, it's kind of crazy how the payment for Dogecoin is being accepted so much right now. And I think if you get people on board like this, if Elon Musk comes out and says, okay, we officially accept Dogecoin for Teslas, this thing is going to explode. This is why it's my third biggest holding right now. I think fourth biggest holding, I'm sorry. EOS, Cardano, Solana, and then Dogecoin. These are the ones that I feel very strongly about. So I wanted to give you guys that perspective. Okay, let's move down more of a smaller view right now, and let's take a look at what we're seeing on the 4-hour time frame and give us an idea of what we can see in the meantime here, okay? Because we're currently managing trades in here. So sorry, guys, my voice. I've been trying to get over something, so thank you for bearing with me. I really appreciate it. What we're building right now, guys, is just an incredible amount of pressure. We are almost flatline on Dogecoin. This is where you want to get money in the market because this is where this can explode. I don't think I've ever seen a coin flatline like this before. Like, do you guys see this? You guys want to know when that happened? It happened over here before this happened. That's the only other time I can find it. Literally, the only other time I can find it was a flattening out before we saw an incredible pump. We've never seen, you guys can look at this yourself, you have never seen on Dogecoin since that pump this type of move where it's just been flat like this for this long. Never. This could explode here soon. So I want you guys to be paying attention to this video because you could be making a lot of money with this, okay? Not your financial advisor, but just saying this. Okay, take a look at this. Well, money flow is heading out here, but it's also sitting in this basically a neutral section. We're sitting in the middle. The trend exhaustion, when it gets to the top red section here, that's when we're usually looking for drops. We saw it got in the top red section right here, and yeah, even funny enough, even though it was small, we saw the drop. Trend exhaustion got in the top red section, well, money flow is high. Cool, we ended up getting the drop. We see over here, trend exhaustion high, prices while money flow high, after Elon Musk said he's going to accept it for his payments, and then it crashes. Guys, this is 100% emotional coin. I want to see somehow a utility programmed into Dogecoin where this can actually create some practical use instead of just Elon Musk pumping it all the time. That's why I want to see McDonald's come on board. I want to see Mr. Beast come on board where people can actually start using these and they want to acquire more Dogecoin because literally, like, this is kind of funny. But think of this. If you go to a Mr. Beast burger and you put money in, let's say you put like $100 into Dogecoin right now and it goes up, say 50%. Okay, you've made $50. You can now buy 50% more hamburgers than you could if you just used the dollar. Like that's the value here is that once you start buying low here and you can actually start purchasing with this, it's like literally having $1 in your wallet just go to $1.25, $1.50, $2, it doubling, literally $1 just like doubling in your pocket. That's why people buy this and they're looking for other places to accept this because literally we're sitting at such a low price right now. Whoever buys at this low price, guys, I think you guys are going to be seeing incredible returns in the long run, okay? Definitely getting in here is a good idea. Let's take a look at the Dogecoin metrics here, and then I'm going to get you guys into how to take a Dogecoin trade a day, and so you guys can make some money with really good risk management. Emotional index, we are sitting in the excited area. This is going to start fluctuating back and forth because now we're in this consolidation. Our metrics are actually looking at the consolidation and saying, okay, now literally this is actually incredible. Our metrics and indicators actually look at price structure and instead of this not moving very much where it would just normally be like right here and go like this, it actually looks at the behavior of past price structures and actually adjust the emotions based off structures, even if they're small or they're large. Really, really advanced stuff over here. Like it's crazy. So in this small range right here, this is pushing up into the excited area where I am looking for institutions that actually kind of short down. But how much more are you going to short when it's not going anywhere? That's why today in this video, what you guys are going to see is indecision, and you guys, I just turned Aussie there for a second. You guys really want to be looking to get some money in this market. I do believe that. Watch this. Long trades moving out a little bit over here on the blockchain for Bitfinex, and short trades basically staying the same, if not arguably moving up just a little bit here. I can understand this, short trades moving up to looking for maybe this possible move down here, okay? We've still got some more meetings coming out with the Biden administration, possibly, more crypto oversight, so on and so forth in this month of February. So let's see what they say. People are looking for crashes. We'll see. Buy limits set up, guys. Buy limits set up. Trades in favor, it's neutral. Why? Because Dogecoin's not doing anything. Well institutional smart money. What's happening down here? We're not seeing very high pumps in longs, very, very high or low drops, I guess. In shorts, it's in the middle. Consolidation, all right? Now, saying all this, here's why you guys want these metrics. The moment that this thing explodes to the upside and we start seeing long trades come out here, or we see short trades come out, you need to be watching that for a precursor. This exploded over here, and if you guys watched on this channel, I said, guys, I did a video, I said, hello, is anybody watching this? You guys better take some money out of this market, and it dropped right back down. We saw this happen over here. Everybody got excited when Elon Musk says he's going to accept Dogecoin for some of their merchandise, and then it drops back down. Why? Well, institutions are shorting. Guys, seriously, I don't know if Elon Musk did this. I don't want to put words in his mouth, but maybe some of his executive staff is like, look, I know you're going to pump this. Okay, it pumped, and now we're just going to short this because we know it's just emotional and all the traders are going to get emotional about this. This is where you guys want to follow. This metric is part of our membership. You guys get access to all that, okay? Support and resistance prices, guys, I'm not even going to really go over this too much because really just in this range, but 15 cents and 13 cents. This is due for an explosion. That's what I want you to take away from this video. Dollar cost average entries here, we haven't seen too many come out here, but if you guys got into any of these and you're holding this and this does explode, this could get very, very bullish, guys. A partnership with McDonald's or something like that would just explode Dogecoin. Exit points over here. The next time we see a move up, I'm looking for that exit point to then see a move back down, okay? So overall, we're seeing indecision, but make sure you guys are watching this because when we start moving, that's how you're going to predict the moves up and down. Now, our membership, guys, to trade with us, to take our 102 wins, we're actually a lot higher than 102 wins, but 102 is how many we've actually have video proof on YouTube of. Our membership, guys, is $49 a month. You're going to get access to all the metrics you just saw for all 12 of our coins. And then you're going to get access to all of our trade setups, buy limits and sell limits. And then you're going to get access into the inner circle over here where you guys are going to get master classes that I'm coming out with and teaching you guys about the crypto market, okay? Most likely what's going to happen is next week I'm going to come out with another masterclass. I'm just trying to get healthier. I've been sick for the last week in here, weeks or so, and I'm just I need a rest, but I'm putting together the next masterclass right now, actually. So don't worry, it's coming out, and I'll give you guys an update of when it comes out, and you don't want to miss the next one, okay? I'm just going to start building on this, and you guys are going to get so much quality over here. So know that the next one is actually in the making, and it will be coming out here very soon, so make sure you guys are signed up. We are also going to be doing some live Zoom training as a team, everybody together, starting in March. So make sure you guys are signed up with the $95 a month membership, but right now, you guys get it for $49. I will not make you guys pay the higher amount. You guys will stay at $49 a month for life when you guys get over here and when we up the prices. Literally, you guys have 24 days left. Man, I talked about this 6-7 months ago. Hey, the time's here, guys. You have 24 days left and it's going up. So make sure you guys snag that. Here's the trade setups for Dogecoin. I want you guys to click right here for Dogecoin, and then you guys can obviously, click that and see the buy limits. Here's how you guys can get into Dogecoin right now, but I'm going to use the Bitcoin charts to keep it private for our subscribers. I'll show this to you guys. If you guys come over here and you just click Dogecoin, you're going to see it's right here. I'm not going to show it because I want to keep it private, but the chart's right here and everything looks the exact same. And we have these really cool logos up here now, which is just super awesome in my opinion. So coming over here to the Bitcoin setup, here's what you guys are going to do. Here's the chart. This is exactly what I am using to get into trades as well. Follow me. Choose the amount you want to enter this trade with. Let's say it's $1,000. Simply split, this is updated today for 2-1 by the way. Split this $1,000 into 4 equal portions, 250. Now, place 250 at each of the 4 buy limits at the prices in yellow. So 250 here, 250 here, 250 here, and 250 here, okay? Now, once the first buy limit has been hit, you then want to set up a sell limit in green for a 100% exit. So once your first buy limit is hit, set up a sell limit in case we skyrocket up overnight and we hit that exit. Once you do that, guys, you want to join me in the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits for the trades that you're in with the indicators, as well as giving you guys updates for when we come out with masterclasses. So once you guys click right here and you have your membership, you'll get a hot link into the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits for you guys. Even this morning, guys, I don't know if you guys saw this already, but we came out here and I called an exit on Mana this morning where you guys were able to take away, you guys earned 25% profit on the Mana exit. And I came out in the video showing this to you guys. Pretty awesome. Now, the last part of this video today, guys, I want you to know about is the indicators. We are going to be upping the price of the bundle pack. It is currently 82% off. This is the most ridiculous discount we've never, guys, the standard sale we've had going on was 81%. We are 82% off the bundle pack right now. It's crazy. What you want to get today, guys, is these 3 indicators right here. It's the trend exhaustion, price risk, money flow, and the trend dashboard. These are the 3 that I use on my trading view charts, as well as all the ones that I use on exits when I call them in the Telegram channel. This is how we have gone to, 102 for 102 wins. Okay, so do not miss getting in there, okay? Last thing I'll say about this real quickly, guys. I know a lot of you guys in the past have purchased individual indicators from us. And now you're looking at this and you're like, man, I really wish I would have just bought the bundle pack because I feel like I'm spending more money if I have to buy them individually. No, don't do that. Email my team and email me today at Gmail. Yeah, at Gmail. betradeconfident@gmail.com. betradeconfident@gmail.com. And let us know, hey, I bought the trend exhaustion. I brought the price or swell money flow. I want to take advantage of you guys' 82% off. And all we'll do is we'll just give you guys a PayPal invoice for the difference. Just pay the difference and you'll get all 9 indicators. The bundle pack comes with 9 indicators, guys. You get all of them. Okay. So don't miss out on it. Like just come in here and get it today so you guys can get this before the prices go up because we are going to be upping the bundle pack this year. So make sure you guys do that. Okay, guys. They're one-time purchases. You get the source code and they're not monthly. It's a one-time purchase for that. So wrapping up Dogecoin, yes, a 220% move at a 50% Fibonacci retracement is absolutely possible. Absolutely possible. It could go up to the all-time high and be higher. I do think that is possible by the 6 months of this year. So about May and June of this year, we could be seeing that. Now, could we not head up there? Obviously, that's possible. But looking at that psychology of a market cycle, I wouldn't doubt if it's possible. It's the coins like these guys that everybody gives up on, and they say, no, it's not going to go anywhere. There's nothing left. There's nothing left. There's nothing left. Just like they did on Bitcoin. Do you guys remember when Bitcoin got down there? Probably not, because a lot of you guys were investing in other things because it wasn't doing anything. Look at this. People gave up on Bitcoin. They gave up on Bitcoin right down here at this area. People are doing this on Dogecoin. It's the people who get in now who are going to become the new millionaires on Dogecoin when the price goes back up. It's either Dogecoin goes away or it goes back up, guys. Dogecoin has too big of a cult following and is too fun of a coin for it to go away and is too high on the coin market cap, in my opinion, to not see another pump up here. Like, I think at minimum we could see 30-40% profits, easily get back into the profit on this trade here and take some more wins. No doubt whatsoever Dogecoin is around to stay and it's going to be here for a while. So I am still bullish on Dogecoin. And if anything, guys, get your buy limits set up today on Dogecoin and get into the trade setups over here so you guys can take advantage of the pump when it comes. So guys, indicators are in the description as well as I pinned them to the first comment. 82% off all of our indicators. Have a blast, guys, setting those up, watching the tutorial videos. They're how we've gone 102 for 102 wins. Also, making sure you guys are getting into the membership over here for $49 a month before it goes up in 24 days. You definitely want to secure your spot, and I will grandfather all of you guys in. All right, guys, God bless you so much. Have an amazing, amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next videos we have coming out with tomorrow. If you have any questions, email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com. I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.